Vivo's already started teasing a couple of new phones for China for launch in the month of April. They include the Y300 Pro Plus and Y300T, which is slated to go official on March 31st, and Vivo X200S and 200 Ultra that will be poised to debut in the second half of April. Today, Vivo product manager released the first official images of the X200 Ultra. As you can see, instead of showcasing the Vivo X200 Ultra's front or rear design, its official image revealed its right side equipped with a dedicated camera button. This will be Vivo's first smartphone to feature a new hardware key. The image suggests that Vivo X200 Ultra will be slimmer than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The new button will have a distinct appeal, featuring a blue strip for added visual contrast. The dedicated shutter button is positioned lower on the frame. It's not just a standard press down key, it appears to support a sliding action. The design is to enhance the photographic experience, especially when shooting in landscape mode or adjusting setting. The sliding mechanism may allow users to precisely control zoom, focus, and exposure for better shot composition. Photography will be the main highlight of X200 Ultra. Reports suggest the device will feature a triple camera setup that includes a 50 megapixel OIS enabled LYT-818 primary sensor, ultra-wide sensor, and 200 megapixel Samsung HP9 periscope telephoto camera. You will get two chipsets in it: Vivo S1 processing chip and V3 Plus post processing chip. It's said to come with triple LED flash, which should enhance low light photography.